Hey guys, it's Chris over here at Acevacuums here in Leesburg, Virginia. We're at 300 Fort Evans Road. Today I want to talk to you guys. We get a lot of calls about stuff to help make your vacuum smell good, or people calling in, hey, my vacuum smells really bad. I got pets. What can I do to get the pet smell out? My carpets smell really bad. What do you guys have that's safe for the vacuum that can be used to help get the pet smell or the smell and odor out of my vacuum? Today we're going to talk to you guys about what's called fragrancelite. We have been selling these for quite some time. They are very safe and effective for all of your vacuums, as well as all your carpeting, and they're pet friendly. We have a lot of different flavors. So what all do they do? They're carpet and vacuum freshener. They freshen the carpet, vacuum cleaners, pet odors, car interiors. If you smoke in your home, cooking odors, mold and mildew odors, fireplace odors. Safe for pets, environment friendly. They have a lot of different ones like Spring Clean, Applelicious, Fresh and Clean, Lavender, Vanilla Bean. Some of the favorites for the holidays right now are the Cinn-aroma and the cinnamon, as well as the Applelicious. A lot of different ones. Come check us out. They're very low cost. We have a lot of different flavors, so if your vacuum's not smelling good and you want to freshen it up and make the carpet and the room smell really, really good, try one of these. Thank you guys, and hope you guys have a good day.